and unleash the power of WSO2, a beginner's tutorial for integration and API management YouTube tutorial. You'll embark on a journey to discover the capabilities and potential of WSO2, a powerful platform for integration and API management. This tutorial is designed for beginners who are eager to explore the world of integration and API management using WSO2. It provides a comprehensive introduction to WSO2's features, tools, and functionalities, making it an ideal starting point for developers, architects, and technology enthusiasts. Throughout the tutorial, you'll learn how to leverage WSO2 to streamline the integration of various systems, applications, and data sources within an organization. You'll gain insights into the fundamentals of API management and understand how WSO2 enables you to design, develop, secure, and monitor APIs effectively. The tutorial will cover essential topics such as 1. Introduction to WSO2. Get to know the WSO2 platform, its key components, and its significance in modern integration and API management. 2. Integration patterns. Explore different integration patterns and learn how to implement them using WSO2's integration capabilities. Discover how WSO2 simplifies the process of connecting disparate systems and orchestrating data flows seamlessly. 3. API management. Dive into the world of APIs and discover how WSO2 facilitates the creation, documentation, versioning, and governance of APIs. Learn how to secure APIs, enforce policies, and monitor their performance using WSO2 API Manager. 4. Data integration. Understand how WSO2 enables you to integrate and transform data from various sources using its data integration capabilities. Learn about data mapping, mediation, and data governance within the WSO2 platform. 5. Security and identity management. Explore WSO2 security features, including authentication, authorization, and identity management. Discover how to ensure the secure exchange of data and protect sensitive information. 6. Monitoring and analytics. Learn how to monitor the performance of your integration and API management solutions using WSO2's monitoring and analytics capabilities. Gain insights into API usage, system health, and performance metrics to optimize your applications. 7. Deployment and scalability. Understand the best practices for deploying WSO2 in different environments and scaling your integration solutions to handle increasing workloads effectively. By the end of the tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation in using WSO2 for integration and API management. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to kickstart your journey with WSO2 and leverage its capabilities to build robust, scalable, and secure integration solutions. So, get ready to unleash the power of WSO2 and embark on an exciting learning experience in the world of integration and API management.